Hi friends, let me tell you this story about a vegetable vendor. Once there was this vegetable vendor who used to stand outside a society, and he had a beautiful whiteboard which has written fresh vegetables sold here. So one of his customers came and said, "Well, after seeing your vegetables, we know they are fresh. So why have you written this fresh word here? Please erase it." So the vegetable vendor erased the word fresh and was written now vegetables sold here. So there was another customer who stopped by to buy vegetables. And he said, "We all know that vegetables are sold here. So why are you writing this and wasting the space on the whiteboard by writing the word vegetables? So just why don't you erase it?" So he erases the word vegetables. And so the board read, "Sold here." There was a small boy whose mother had sent him to buy some vegetables. So he comes and says that we know that you sell vegetables here. So why don't you remove the word sold and just let it be here because we know it is here. So he takes the advice of that boy also. Then the fourth customer comes and says, "Dear friend, we know you've been selling your vegetables here for so long and you are here and not there. So why even write this word here? Why don't you erase it?" And taking the advice of the fourth customer, he removes the word here as well. Now, the whiteboard is absolutely clean whiteboard. There is this old lady who comes over here and she says, "My dear child, you sell such great fresh vegetables and you've got this whiteboard. Why don't you use this whiteboard and advertise about your vegetables? Write something like fresh vegetables sold here." And this vegetable vendor was absolutely perplexed. Now, doesn't this happen all the time in our lives? There are so many people who keep on giving us advices: do it like this, why don't you try this? And believe me, all of these advices are with good intentions. But the point is that do we keep on listening to all the advices? Well, during taking these advices, we forget why we are here. We forget what our passion is. We forget what we want to do. And we fall into this puzzle and maze of taking others' advices and start doing things. My dear friends, take the advice of everybody, but listen to what your heart has to say. Don't let this inner voice of yours die down in the crowd of all the advices that people are giving you. Take your heart, think from your mind, and do what you like to do. Do what your passion is, and do what you feel is right. Thank you.